mga ka-trending, welcome back to ZK Trend. Kasama kanina ni Bel Mariano ang ilan pang endorsers ng Jollibee na sina Maha Salvador at Joshua Garcia para sa Jollibee kicks off its Paskoest holiday season with the start lighting sa Sampaloc, Maynila. Bilang Jollibee brand ambassador ay sinisigurado nga ni Bel na ngayong Pasko ay magkakaroon nga tayo ng joyest and Paskoest Pasko ever.
And the Gen Z phenomenal star, Miss Bel Mariano. Paskoest, she endorses.
Yes.
Yes. Before
Yes.
anything else, guys.
Happy holidays, everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you for that wonderful question.
Thank you, candidate number
Yes,
one.
thank you po. I'm the happiest ever, of course, to be part of this family. You know, growing up kasi, I used to really eat Jollibee with my siblings. And she set up, and totoo po yung sinabi niyo ng haba ng Pasko ng Pinoy. And we eat Jollibee all together. Sorry, the mic. We ate Jollibee all together. And the message I would like to say is, I think for me, Christmas is about sharing joy. So let's make this Pasko our Paskoest ever by sharing Jollibee Chicken Joyet.
Jollibee.
Our cameras for lots of photos. First photo, Jollibee. There are mascots joining in the fun. Syempre, Jollibee and friends. And we are not yet done.